going to make this dot bracelet. This is how it looks. What you need is, you need 3 colors. I'm using pink, purple, and gold. This bracelet is very easy. So, firstly, you will need to use a single band like this and twist it around here. Then you will use your hook and you will wrap this around here. 1, 2, 3, and 4 times. Now you will get something like this. You'll get your other band and you slide this over to the other band. You'll get something like this. Now you will replace this here. Now you will hook this one here over and over here too. Now you're going to do the same thing. You will wrap the other color around 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now you're getting the other color. And now you'll take this to the other band. Here. Now you just put it right here. And now you just hook it over and hook it and hook this side over too. You will do the same thing all out, just like this. Sorry if you hear some noise, it's just my dog. And you will continue doing this until it gets long. If you're tired of making this bracelet, and it's not really big enough, you can make a single chain. You just take this on your hook, and now you're going to take your arrow pointing up, and now you're going to add some colors. You can add any colors. I'll just go up and then add another color, just like pink, purple, and I just going to continue doing that thing until I think it's enough for my bracelet. I'll just do it 6 times. And the last one. Now I get 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I'm going to turn it around. Take my bracelet that is on my hook, and I'll do 3. Okay. And I'm going to replace this on that pin. Now I get something like this. So now I'm going inside and grab this purple band and hook up. Same thing. And now we have done this. And so you should have something like this. So now we're going to take a S clip or a C clip. I'm using S clip. I'm just going to put my S clip on these two bands, and now I'm going to take it off. And now I have done this. I'll just take this on the S clip, and now we're done. We have made this dotted bracelet. That's all for today. Bye.